find the product between these two polynomials, let's stack them on top of each other just like we would when multiplying any two whole numbers. Just like we would when we're multiplying whole numbers, we're going to go one term at a time and take that one term and multiply it to all of the terms above it, put a placeholder 0, and then take our second term and multiply it to all of the terms above it. So let's start with 1. 1 times -4 will give us a -4. Anything times 1 is just itself, so we could just copy down that polynomial as it is, and then put your placeholder 0 and start multiplying with your -2x. -2x times -4 will give us a positive 8x. -2x times positive 4x would give us a negative 8x squared. -2x times 16x squared would give us 32x to the third, and it's going to be negative because a negative and a positive will give us a negative result. Then we would need to add these terms together, but before we do, we can already eliminate down to find our correct answer. We know our first term needs to be negative 32x cubed, so it can't be A and it can't be D. And we know our last term is going to be -4 because -4 plus 0 is -4, and that narrows us down to answer choice C as our only correct answer. At that point, you can mark C and move on with the rest of the test, but for the sake of the video, I will simplify us down and finish the problem. -4 plus 0 would give us -4. 4x plus 8x would give us 12x. 16x squared minus 8x squared would give us a positive 8x squared. And then there's nothing to combine with negative 32x cubed. So once again, this polynomial matches answer choice C.